Okay, friends, I think I am live now. I think so. Let me just verify it once. Yes, yes, yes. I am live. I am live. Okay. So, uh, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Okay. So, okay, let's begin here. The topic was about the speed maths. So, we call it as speed maths. Speed maths. It has a lot of use in the bank exam because there is a simplification. You directly use this for the simplification, and beyond that, for all the arithmetic problem, you need to answer those questions. You need the speed over there, calculation speed, and on the top of that, on the top of that, what happens? The data interpretation, especially when it's come to data interpretation, you will find that there are so many things are there. So okay, so nice to see Anandita has joined, Aparjita has joined, Tabitha has joined. Very good to see. Chaliye, so nice, so nice. So we will begin over here. So how do we find out, the square of any two digit number? We will learn in this video. Okay. So here, for example, 89 and 89 square. How do I find out the 89 square? So it's a 8 and 9. Now there are only three steps are there. In the step 1 we take the 9 square, and in the step 2 we multiply these two, 8 and 9, and then we make double of it. So that is step 2, and step 3 we take the 8 square. Okay, let's begin the step 1. So that is 9 square. 9 square is 81. Carry 8. Then we multiply these two. 8 into 9, that is 72. And we double this 72. That's 144. So we take this 144 here. And carry 8 is there. So 144 plus 8, 152. So I will take the 2 over here and carry 15. Okay, I hope you understood that, or else I will take another example also. So carry 15. Third and last step, that's 8 square, and the 8 square is 64, and 64 plus 15, that's a 79. So I'll get that 79 here. That's all. I will recap this once again. So we are working out on 89 square. Hope all my wonderful friends are able to listen clearly. The very first thing is I'll take the 9 square, and the 9 square is 81. The remainder is 8. The carry 8. And then we'll multiply these two. 8 into 9 is 72. We'll make the double of 72, which is 144. And we'll add 8 to that. So 144 plus 8, it's a 152. So I will take the 2, carry 15 over here. And the last step, 8 square, and 8 square is 64, and 64 plus 15, and then it comes a 79. So I'll write this as 79. So I was using these kind of multiplication even when I was preparing for State Bank of India. In the year 1989, 1988, I started preparation from 1988 onwards. So I was using all these tricks, and it helps a lot. Okay, let's take one more number over here. For example, this one, 79 square. How do we find out 79 square? Can any one of you, Anandita or Aparajita or Tabitha ma'am, or any one of you can please find out how do we find out the 74 square? Just respond. 74 square. So what I do? The very first thing is Very good afternoon. Very first thing is that 4 square, the 4 square is 16 and carry 1, and then comes 7 4 is 28. What we do with this 28? We make the double of it. We don't write that 28 as 28 there. We simply write the double of it, and that is 56. And the 56 plus 1 is 57. So I will write the 7 here, carry 5. And the last step is, that's a 7 square. And the 7 square is 49. And the 49 plus 5, which is 54. So that's how 5476 is a 74 square. Am I correct? So if you are wow, beautiful, beautiful. 5476. Both of you have beautifully answered the question. I really appreciate it. So the same way, this is the only thing for any two-digit number you can find out the square in this way. And for example, if I take the another number, as you can see that 96. So if I have to find out the 96 square, what is the 96 square? Can someone answer the question? Anyone one of you can answer the question? Look at this one. I will answer this 96 square in two ways. The one is the general method which we have learned just now, and that is, I will find out the 6 square, and 6 square is 36, carry 3, and then 9 6 is 54, and I will double the 54. So I am writing over here so that you can understand. 9 6 is 54, and the double of 54 is 108, and then 108 plus 3 is 111, carry 11, and 9 square is 81. 81 plus 11 is 92. Is that? Did you write it? Okay, okay, that's great, that's great. Wonderful, wonderful. 9216. Yeah, that's right. But there is another way to answer it. There is another way to answer it. How do I answer the question? If the number is closer to 100, then there is an alternate way. For example, this is 96, which is less than, how much less than 100? It's a base 100. Take this as base 100. This is how much less than 100? 4 less than 100. So my first number over here will be 4 square, which is 16. And the front number will be 96 minus 4, which is 92. Which is 92. That's great. That's great. So if I ask you, okay, so I think you are not able to see whatever I mentioned over here. That's my referral code about Unacademy and all. So the next time I will put that in the other side. It's okay. So can you please answer this? If I ask you 91 square, 91 square, how do we find out 91 square? Okay, so there I see that this is 9 less than 100. Then 9 square is 81, and then 91 minus 9, that's 82. Am I right? Am I right? Let me see that if someone answers the question. Someone answers the question. Okay, okay, that's good, that's good. So like that, any number which is closer to 100, for example 91 to 99, all these numbers I can use this short approach. One final example, that is 96 square. So in case of 96 square, what we do, this is how much less than 100, that's 4 less than 100. So the first number is 4 square, which is, no, we did this 96. So I will take 97 square. So 97 square, this how much less than 100? That's 3 less than 100. Beautifully, beautifully answer the question, Parjita Anandita madam. That's right. Now look at this 97 square. I will just erase all this. 97 square. How do I find out 97 square? So this is 3 less than 100. So 97 minus 3. and then first thing is 3 square. Put that 3 square over here, it's 9, but you are expected to take the 2 digit over here, so you will take it as 09. You will take this as 09, and after that what you do here, so 97 minus 3, and the 97 minus 3 will be 94. So to what extent I can go for this way? Okay, let's take an example. Can I do the same thing with the 89 square? Can I apply the same approach with 89 square? Look at this. This is how much less than 100? 11 less than 100. So 89 minus 11, and then it comes 78. Okay, 78, and followed by 11 square, and I only need to take the 2 digit over here. So 11 square is 121. Then I will take 1, 2, 1. That means this 1 will be carry over to 100th digit. Beautiful, beautiful. So what will happen here? That's 1, and this is 2, and 8 plus 1, that's 9, and then it's 7. That's how we find the 89 square. Like that, can we apply the same method for 88 or 87? Let's try this once again. 87 square, this is 13 less, this is 13 less. So I will take the 13. First you can subtract the 13 from 87, and then it is become 74, and followed by 17 square, which is 169. Okay, beautifully did, Anandita. So 13 square, 169. So I need to write only 2 digit over here. Then where will be 100 digit? The 1 will come over here, and then 69. Then this number will be that 7569. Like this, any number which are closer to 100, we can respond in this way. Okay. So in the first case, what we have seen is that's the general way to find out, the very general method to find out the square of any 2 digit number, which takes the 3 steps. The first step is 9 square, second step is 8 into 9 and double of it, that is 72, double of it 144. Third and last step is 8 square. But if the numbers are closer to 100, we can change the method the way we did over here. Now, one more example I wanted to share with you. If you have to find out 98 square, how do you find out 98 square? So this is 2 less than 100, 2 less than 100, then what is 2 square? 4. But you please remember that I need the 2 digit over here. So either you write the 4 first, or 98 minus 2 is 96, and followed by 2 digits. 98 minus 2 is 96, followed by 2 digits. Now, this 2 square will come over here. As 2 square is a single digit, therefore I will place a 0 over here. 04. Okay, that's great response, ma'am. That's great response, Anandita and Aparajita, madam. Okay, so it's clear that, so if the base is 100, how to find the square of the any 2 digit number? Okay, and with the general method, can you find out any 2 digit number? If I ask you to find out 84 square, apply the general method and find it out. 84 square. Come on, my friends. Can you? I'll wait for your response a little bit. 84 square. Can I wait for your answer? Can I wait for your response? 84 square. Yes, I am waiting for your response. 84 square. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. I got the response. So now I will answer this question. So here we are doing with a very general method. The first method is 4 square. First step is 4 square, that is 16. Carry 1. Yes, yes, good. Good. Anandita ma'am and Aparajita ma'am. Beautifully responded. 4 square is 16, carry 1. And we will multiply these two. 4, 8 is 32. And we double the 32. That's 64. And the 64 plus 1 is 65. Carry 6. Okay. What is the third and last step? That's 8 square is 64. And 64 plus 6 is 70. Yes, beautifully. But when it comes to the number closer to 100, we change the approach. If I ask you, can you please find out 73 square? So I can apply this method, but we have an alternate method. Please do it. And can you please tell me? Can you please tell me, my friends? Yes, 93 square. Apply the alternate method which we have learned. Apply the alternate method which we have learned. Do it. Any one of you? The one we just have learned. Can you apply that? Can you apply that? Do it. Okay, that's great. That's great. That's really great. Now I understand that. Now I understand that you understood the process. Now what I do over here, look at this one. This is 7 less than 100. Then there are two steps, 93 minus 7, and then it comes 86. Then followed by 7 square, which is 49. Beautiful, beautiful. Both of you have beautifully responded. So you are understanding any two digit number, how to find it out. And if a number closer to 100, then how do we find the square of the number? And then I will take you to a little bit of the area. That's as I am associated with Unacademy. So I will just speak for 2 minutes about the Unacademy, my friends. So it is one of the largest platform for online learning. It's not only gives the coaching for bank, but it also gives the coaching for all the government job exams like SSC, RRB, and other exams too. Okay. Now, other than that, it also gives an coaching for higher education. Higher education, something like someone is preparing for CAT exam. Yes, someone who has done the BTech and want to do the MTech. Then there is a GRE, there is an exam called GATE. So it offers the GATE. Even it offers the school level courses also. So far it's coming to us for banking coaching. Why should we join in an academy? You might have some of the people have a question, and you may be thinking there are so many platforms are there. How an academy is different? The very first thing is the best teaching is available. Why? From all over India, the teachers are not are on one place. So here the people who are teaching are from the every part of from every corner of this country. So the best of the best faculties are there on this platform. There is a second reason I find why anyone join. That is there are multiple faculties for each subject. Sometimes it happens that you are not comfortable with a particular faculty. Then you may check the same quant class or the English or reasoning classes for different other faculties. Multiple faculties are there. So you can choose the faculty of your own. That choice is there with you. The next is, it's the largest number of faculties in the single platform. The hundreds of faculties are keep teaching all the day in a different schedules. So it's a large choice available with you. No other organization is there where you can have so many choices, where you can find that there are 10 or 15 classes of quant is going on banking exams and all. So you don't find that. You don't find that in a platform at a time there are 4-5 current affairs classes is going on. So you can choose here. That is one advantage. The next is it's a unlimited access to all the live classes. So once you join for the banking exam, there is no restriction of a particular faculty you need to attend or a particular time you need to attend. You can attend the classes right from the morning to the evening, any number of classes by a single faculty or by multiple faculties. So, so as something like a Netflix and all. Once you take the membership, you can watch any movies over there. It is something like this. So once you become subscribe the Unacademy, you can watch all the faculties classes which is taking place. So you can watch all the quant class. You can watch all the reasoning classes. You can watch all the English classes, including the current affairs and many more. So that facility is there. And the recorded class are available. Faculties recorded classes. For some or the other reason, if you are following a particular faculty and you miss that class for your college schedule or some other reason, then the recorded classes will be available. You can come and see it again. So that is the wonderful facility. I noticed it here. And you have the live quiz. So when we go to the classes, so there is a quiz. So we see that who is first, who is second, who is taking how much time, and who are the top 10. So we have the live quizzes there. And also we have the biggest advantage, doubt clarification session is there, including mock test. So that's the one. And from the monetary point of view, I say that in the market, it charges the least of the amount. So there are so many things are there. The reason is there why one should join in Unacademy. So moving forward, my friends, so as I am associated to Unacademy, I am going to start a new batch on 11th of August. 11th of August, that is coming Wednesday. So morning 10 to 11:30 will be the basic batch, where the subjects will be taught one by one in a detailed manner, and the evening 7:30 to 8:30 there will be a practice batch, because once you learn the subject you need to do lot of practice before you finally get the appointment letter in your hand. So the practice will continue over here. You might have doing lot of practice with your own, but 1 hour we together, because I have a 20 years of experience of training the people. So 1 year we together will spend. So you have to enroll for that in Unacademy. So either you in mobile now go to the Google Play and download the app of Unacademy app, and from there you can type my name over there. That is, for example, you can type my name, Narendra Matta. So upcoming courses, so you will get my all upcoming courses, so you can enroll for that. Okay, that is one. And while you are enrolling, then please use this code Narendra07. All the letters should be small, 07. You will get a 10% discount on the course fees. And if you have further any doubt, you can always have a freedom to contact me, 99897 So for the enrollment or any other query, you can always get back to me on this number, because I can see that is my last 23003 is getting hidden on back of me. So it's okay. So 99897 So the batch is going to start on 11th of August. Please do join, and you will definitely get benefit out of it. Now I wanted to share how to find out the 108 square. 108 square. So there are 100 base. When 100 base, there are the number which is less than 100, and there are the numbers which are more than 100. So how do you find it, the square of the number of 108? So for 108, there are very simple method. That is, this is 8 more than 100. Then 100 plus 8, it's 108, and followed by 8 square, which is 64. That's all. Now I'll take you on the another section. If I ask you that, can you please find out 107 square? Can you? Try this, my friends. Try this. I'll wait. I'll wait. You are giving me a lot of responsibility by attending the classes. So 107 square. Anyone? Any one of my friends like Anandita madam, Aparajita madam, or Tabitha madam, or any one of you, future bankers, can you 107 square? I am just waiting for your response. Wow, beautiful, beautiful, beautifully responded. So what you might have done, that's this 7, this is 7 more than 100. So what you do, you add 7 to 107. So that's become 114. And after that you will be writing 2-digit number here, and that will be 7 square, and 7 square is 49. 7 square is 49. That's great. 11449. I really appreciate. Now the same way, now we understood that if the number is less than 100 or the number is greater than 100, how do we answer it? So here it is 100, and if I ask you, my friends, find out 92 square, and if I ask you find out 109 square, can you please answer this? Can you please answer this? May I wait for a couple of minutes? Can you please answer this? Can you please answer this? These all are the very integral part of the simplification. And not only there, but even in our arithmetic chapter, even in our data interpretation, it's a great useful. Come on, my friends, I am waiting for your response, and I am sure you can able to do it. You can able to do it. Come on. Let's answer it. Let's answer it. Yes, that's right. That's right, Anandita ma'am. You answered it the first one. Answered it the first one. That's the wonderful positive attitude. So here what you might have done, this is 8 less than 100. So what you will do, 92 minus 8, and then comes 84, and followed by 8 square, which is 64. Beautiful, beautiful. And Aparjita madam, beautifully did it, second one. That's this is how much more than 100? That's 9 more than 100. So 109 plus 9, and it comes 118, and followed by 9 square, and the 9 square is nothing but 81. Beautifully responded, beautiful. So like that, to what extent I can go? Can I find out 112 square? Now the question is, can I find out 112 square with the same method? Yes, we can do it. Yes, we can do it. How do we do it? This one. This is how much more? 12 more than 100. So I will add 12 to this, 112 plus 12, and then it comes 124, followed by 12 square, 144. So I will take 144. And finally, in 7, answer the question. That's 12544. That's my answer. Okay. Now 2 numbers I'll give, and say that how many of my friends can really answer the question. 170. Let's take one number at a time. 170. Answer it. Answer it. Yo-yo-ma. Okay. Welcome, sir. First of all, very grand welcome for joining the class. Now, 117. May I request humbly, Yo-yo-ma, can I request 117 square? 117 square. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Anyone else? Anyone else? Your answer is there. Beautiful, beautiful. Now I will answer the question. So what we can do over here is 17 square, 17 more. This is 17 more than 100. So 117 plus 17, and it has become 134. Followed by 17 square, which is 289. So I will write down this 289. And I will simply add this number, that is 9, and then 8 here, then this is 4 plus 2 is 6 here, and then 3 here and 1 here. Beautiful. 13, 6, 8, 9. 13, 6, 8, 9. Beautifully responded. So I hope you are understanding how to answer these questions, sir. So I will, if I will ask you to, can you please find out 207 square? Can you please find out 207 square? I'll explain you how to find it out. Allow me to explain it. It's the base 100, we know how to do it. Now the base is now 2 times of 100, which is nothing but 200. It's nothing but 200. So how do I do it? So this is 7 more than 100, then 207 plus 7, and then it comes 214. Now I will double 214. As we double the 100, which is 200, the same way we double the 214 at this point. Now it will become 228. 228. Yes, yes, Aparjita ma'am. So beautifully you are able to answer it. No. What I am going to do now? We double it. That's the only new thing I need to do it. And then followed by 7 square, and the 7 square is 49, right? I used to prepare a lot when I was preparing for clerk, PO, because it decides the speed. The number of attempts increases in prelim as well as main. Now finally I will erase this and I will give one number, and with that I will conclude the class. Okay, my friends. So can I dare to ask you, what is 112 square? Come on. Come on, my wonderful friends. Even one person is there, even Anandita, Aparjita, Yohu ma'am, Tabitha, please respond. 212 square. How can you find it out? Is it? Oh, beautiful, beautiful. So, what we do here? That's it is 100. So double is 200. The base is 200. So I need to double it. Where I will double it? Please notice and observe this one. So here this is 12 more than 200. So I will add 12 to 200, and that is 224. Now I will double it, and that's 448, and then followed by 12 square, and the 12 square is 149. Please notice that this is 149. So this 12 square 144. Now that's 1 should be carried over to 100, is it? Now I will add it up, and that's 944. Beautiful, beautiful, Anandita, Aparjita, and Yoma. I hope you are also understanding that. Okay. last but not the least, when we talk about the square, then definitely don't forget this part. That is, how do we find out a square of a number which ends with 5? Example, 15 square, or 25 square, or 35 square, or 45 square, or 55 square, or 75 square, or 85 square. So all the numbers which ends with 5, or 125 square. Okay, let's begin here. The small thing, we will definitely learn this. So the as the last digit is 5, so here it's 25. So the last digit will always be 25. And what about the first part? That is 1 into the next number of 1 in a number system. That is 2. So 1 into 2 is 2. Okay. Now if I ask you 45 square, so what you will do, this is 5. For that you have to take the first two digits, last two digit as 25. And followed by here, that's 4 into the next number of 4, that's 5. So 4 into 5 is 25. Okay, if you are understanding that, may I ask you what is 85 square? What is 85 square? I will clean this and I will simply write down. Can you find out 85 square? Come on my friends. 85 square. Okay, okay, that's good, that's good. Now 85 square. That's good, that's good. Now coming to 85 square. Come on. Great, great, great. So what you did is, you have multiplied this by 9. So 8 into 9 is 72. And followed by 5 square, which is nothing but 25. Okay, this was one of the special case. Now, with one more special case, I will end with. In the next class, we will learn lot of things, even the short multiplications, square root of the number. So tomorrow again, I will start this YouTube class, live class at 12. Please do come. थोड़ा थोड़ा भी अगर कुछ सीख लेते हैं, that's okay. कभी कभी सीखना नहीं होता है, रिवीजन हो जाता है, that's okay, right? So now if I ask you here, what is 59 square? 59 square. How do you do it? There is a easy method for that. So for all the numbers from 51 to 59, all the numbers we have a special approach. And what is that special approach I am talking about? So I will take this as 25. Here you take the 5 as 25. 5 square, 25. 25 plus 9. 25 plus 9. 34. So write down the 34 over here. And followed by 9 square. And that is 81. Yes, that's right. That's right. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So if I ask you one more number, and this is applied with all the numbers when the 10 digit is 5, 51 to 59. So please tell me, what is 57 square? Come on my friends, what is 57 square? Yes. $57 square. I'm just waiting for your response. Okay. The relay takes a few seconds to reach up to you. Oh, you did it already. That's great. That's great. That's great. Wonderful. So now I notice that this is 5 square is 25 and 25 plus 7 is 32. 32 and followed by 7 square and which is 49. That's all. That's all. Wonderful. So, thank you for attending the classes. I would like to remind everyone that I'm going to start a new batch. Please note that on 11th of August, enroll for the batch. It will be live by today afternoon or by evening in Unacademy. So there are two batches, 10 to 11:30. One and half the pure basic we will learn and understand, and 7:30 to 8:30 practice is needed, right? So my name is Narendra Matta. So in Unacademy you can find it out, and if you still have any doubt you can call me at this number. That's my WhatsApp number come phone number 9989720003. And please don't forget to use this referral code, that is Narendra. All letters are small, Narendra, Narendra, and this is 07, and you will get a 10% discount on the course fees in Unacademy. Okay, thank you very much. Take care, and thank you. So see you tomorrow.